Oh hey, didn't see you there. Come on in. Tour, our new 2-bedroom apartment in Orlando, Florida. I'm so excited to take you along. So let's start. So guys, over here, when you walk in the door, oh by the way, I know this is an empty apartment tour, but we had this bed frame delivered, so you're gonna have to ignore that. We're sorry. But anyway, you come on in, to the right hand side is our beautiful closet with our washer and dryer. It has a beautiful shelf, which we can put stuff on. I love that for us. Next, my favorite part of the new apartment, our beautiful, voluptuous, scrumptious apartment. It is so big and beautiful. There's so much cabinet space, beautiful deep sink, and then something small. I know this is definitely first world problems, but the shelves have a bottom, which means that things won't fall out of them. And I'm so excited about that. Of course, the dining and living room area. I don't think we're gonna get a dining room table. I don't think so. But the light here makes it a little problematic. So I don't know how we're gonna use this space. We'll figure it out. But living room. Our beautiful master bedroom. And I mean, come on. Look at that view we're gonna wake up to in the morning. A beautiful lake with fountain. I'm just so excited. Then over here we have our bathroom, which features, for the first time in our relationship, a 2-person sink. And I'm so excited. The only thing I wish is, you'll see in a second, the other bathroom has way more storage than this bathroom, which I find weird because you would think the master would have more storage, but that's okay. Also our beautiful, I was gonna call it a closet, but our shower with glass doors. So pretty. Then we come over here to my favorite part of the attraction, which is the closet. It is so flipping big. This is like, I could do like lunges. How many lunges can I do? 3.5 lunges. That is crazy. It is so big. And I'm so excited to put everything in this closet. Then we head over here, our porch, which is screened in, which means our dog Nala can go out and enjoy the view without us having to worry about insects coming in, because sadly our dog, like many dogs of today's era, has separation anxiety. So if we close the door, she'll be pretty upset. So now we can leave the door open, not worry about little buggy bugs, and have a great view while we're at it. Then over here, the second bedroom, which for us is going to be a guest room / office. And so yeah, basically just a room, but then in here, another beautifully spacious closet, which was about the same size as our last closet in our master bedroom. So this is definitely an upgrade. And then the last stop on our tour is the guest bathroom, which has the voluptuous tub. It is so deep and dandy, and I can't wait to try it out later. It's gonna be wonderful. Well, like I said earlier, you'll notice here there's so many drawers, which we don't have in the master bathroom, which is sad, but that's okay. And then over here, we have our linen closet. Woohoo! Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope that you enjoyed our empty apartment tour. If you'd like to see more Orlando videos, be sure to hit the subscribe button down below and give this video a big thumbs up. And I'll see you guys in the next video, our moving vlog. Bye guys!